Just painted this old school. Rocker panels. Had all rust around here. It's all fixed. Everything in here was rusted too. All fixed. Painted. Just washed it. Some water still. You guys need body work for a good price, let me know. Both rocker panels were switched. This thing, all of this was rusted. It's not repaired. Yeah.